Hey loves, in today's video I am reviewing the Docolor Goth 12 color eyeshadow palette along with its matching 10-piece Pro Eye Brush set. I purchased the Goth 12 color eyeshadow palette as well as the matching 10 brush set from Amazon. I love this packaging. I am so excited to open it up. The Goth 12 color eyeshadow palette is $9.99 plus free shipping with Amazon Prime. This palette has 3 mattes and 9 shimmers. The matching 10-piece Pro Eye Brush set is also $9.99 plus free shipping with Prime. First, I'm going to highlight my brow bone with the shade Vintage using the angled eyeshadow brush. And all of these brushes are so soft and fluffy, they feel very nice on the skin. Using the pencil brush, I am applying the shade Outsider directly into and slightly above the crease of my eye. I love this pencil brush. It is the perfect size to place shadow exactly where I want it. I am applying the shade Former underneath the arch and down the tail of my brow using the shader brush. I am using the blending brush to soften the line where my brow bone highlight and crease colors meet. I am using the pencil brush to apply the shade Sable to the outer third of my lid. In the palette and in the swatch, there is some silver glitter, but it does not transfer to the lid, so I'm thinking maybe it's just on top, but it is a nice black. I am using eyeshadow brush number 4 to apply Moody to the remainder of my lid. For a liner, I'm using the Nicka Microfine Artliner pen. I am applying a light coat of the AOA Studio Fat Lash Mascara. This is my latest favorite lash. It is the Miss 3D Makeup Soft in the style 56. I am blending Rocky along my lower lash line using the Smudge Brush. I am lining my waterline with the black Nicka eye pencil. To complete this look, I am highlighting the inner corner of my eye with the shade Skull using the lip brush. It is the perfect size and shape for the inner corner of my eye. Here's my completed eye makeup look. I love the dark tones with the splash of bright red on the lower lash line. I really enjoyed using the Goth palette. The pigmentation and texture of these shadows is amazing. The eye brush set is amazing as well. I love how fluffy the brushes were and that I was able to complete an entire eye look with only that set. There will be links for the palette and brush set at the top of the description. Leave me a comment telling me what you thought of today's video, and until next time, bye loves!